Summer in Bundy is normally a good time, except when there's floods, of course. A good time for getting out on the patio, firing up a barbie, having a few beers. Now this is a Bundaberg song.
Where is the patio?
Okay, here we go. And people talking, the scenes recalled. By my movement, the songs evolve. From the back and take a certain texture, that certain smell to lie in sweat. On familiar sheets, a big veneer on balance beds. A silent hiding makes a certain texture, that certain smell brings home the heavy day, brings home the nighttime swell. Check out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over Cape Feels, a laugh and think this is Australia. Is awkward, it faces west, long diagonals and sloping too. And in the distance, through the heat haze, the convoys of silence, the cattle graze, a certain texture that certain beats brings forth the nighttime heat. While on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning back over Cape Feels, and laugh and think that this is Australia.
Mark Callahan from Bundaberg. Mark Callahan.
On familiar sheet, and big veneer on finance beds. In a room of silent heart effects, a certain texture, that certain smell brings home the heavy days, brings home the nighttime sweat. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we This is us, come on! Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, love and thinking. This is Australia. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, love and thinking. This is Australia. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, love and thinking. This is Australia. This is Australia. This is Australia. This is Australia. Check it out.